Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Apeman Trawo, and I bought this action camera because I go to a lot of car meets and I wanted something to record other than my cell phone. I'm making this video because I looked on YouTube for some unboxings and I didn't see any, and the only one that I did see was in German, so I really couldn't understand half of what he was saying. Alright, so let's get into the box. I ordered this on Amazon for $120 and it came with a $20 off coupon. They actually offered free one-day shipping, so I ordered it yesterday and it came in today. Alright, so here's the box. Looks pretty nice. It says 4K Ultra HD, 1.8 wide aperture, 40 meters waterproof, and Wi-Fi control. Here's the back. It says it has a 170-degree wide angle, 4K at 30 FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, 1440p at 60 FPS, 1080p at 60 FPS, and 720p at 240 FPS. Waterproof up to 40 meters, and it says for the pictures, 20 megapixels, 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 and 3. Alright. Nothing else on the side of the box. Buckets. Alright, so here's the box. Feels pretty solid for only $100. And I wanted to get a GoPro, but they're just way too expensive for what I'm doing, and the quality seems the same. Alright, so here's the cover. And greeted with the camera, and it says the spirit, your spirit of adventure. It says hello, and just a little thank you note. Here's the camera. So you pull up this tab, camera comes out, looks pretty nice already. Alright, there we go. So here's the camera. It says please remove me before using on this little plastic tab. I'll get to that in a second. It says slide the switch and pull up. So that's to take off the case, and then there's some instructions to take off the case. I'm assuming this is the record button and maybe a menu button, but we'll get into that in a second. Wow, I'm actually quite impressed with the quality. And let's see what's next. So accessories. What's in the user manual. Yeah, so just a guide. Who uses the user manuals anyways? Accessories. This is what you probably came for, so let's see. It feels quite heavy. Packed to the brim. Let's move this over a little bit. Got a cleaning cloth here, and quite a few accessories. So here looks like we have the batteries, 1 and 2. That's one reason why I got the specific one. It came with 2 batteries, and I won't have to buy another one for $25. So here they are. Let's see what's next. I'm looking and it doesn't seem to have a battery charger or a charging dock. So let's see. No. 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 Another door. Nope. 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 And no. Alright, so it doesn't come with a charging dock, which is kind of disappointing. I would love to be able to charge both of these batteries at the same time, but for $100 I really can't be complaining. So let's see. So these are the batteries here. These are some Velcro straps. Here's another mount or adapter. These are some 3M tape to stick it to some surfaces. Here's the dash mount, I believe, so you can attach it, stick it to your car, and then this slides right in. Yep, here you go, 3M tape. Struggling here. Okay, here's some zip ties. I'm sure you guys know what zip ties look like. Here's another adapter. Never had a GoPro, so I don't know the difference between all of these and what they do. Here's another back door, I believe. Not sure what's the difference between these two, but maybe to spare in case it breaks. I'm wondering if one of them is clear so that you can use the touchscreen through the case, but we'll see. There's another one of those adapters that I don't know what they mean. I'll need this. This is the charging cable, micro USB, so I'm sure it won't be hard to find more of these around the house in case I lose it. Yep. Here you go. Not too long, but it'll work. Here's another mount. Still don't know how this one works either. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the rest of the mounts just so you guys can see them. So I have all the accessories over here, and I'm back with my SD card. So let's get into this. So in the instructions it says push this tab forward, and then that comes off. So let's try it. There we go. Got this off right here. You lift that up. There's a nice rubber seal around it to keep it waterproof, and then here's the camera itself. And it's pretty light, but I'm sure it's going to get a little heavier with the battery and everything else in there. So I'm assuming that this is for the SD card and the charging port. So the lens right here. It's a very simple design. Power button, mode button, and then to start recording or taking a picture. So let's see, let's get the battery in there. Let's get to the SD card. So you have your charging port, and then I'm sure this is to connect it to a TV or any sort of screen. And here's the SD card slot. Let's see. There's no instructions on the orientation of the SD card, so guess we'll see. So I have my SanDisk Ultra Plus 32 gigabytes, class 10. Got it from Best Buy for only $15 on sale. And I'm assuming the SD card goes this way. Yep, clicked in right there. And that's it. So let's see, power button. Battery's probably dead. But here's the camera. Looks pretty good. Here's the case, waterproof seal. Feels solid. I feel like I'd be comfortable taking it underwater. And here are all the accessories over here. So that's it for the unboxing, and I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe. Alright, so I just got everything out of the box. Here is the camera quality. And the screen is quite small, and I'm sure it isn't the best resolution, so I'm sure it'll look a lot better on the computer than I'm seeing right now, but here is everything. Currently I'm shooting in 1440p at 60 frames per second. I know that 60 FPS can look a little bit smoother than 30 at times. So this is the highest quality that I think I'll be working at. And let's go outside. Here's some of the new car posters that I've gotten. Getting ready to go to college. Let's go in the backyard. From what I've read, the image stabilization is pretty good on these. So, gonna hook up the computer and see how all this footage looks. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will bring some content soon to the channel with this new camera. Have a nice day.